Hi everyone, this is Dr. Yu. I am here with a short video to show you how to set a page from your pages section as the front page or the home page for your course site. I'm located in the module section, and by default, if you have not set a front page, it will either choose the syllabus page or the modules page as one of the as your primary page. So what I want is that when a student comes into my classroom for the first time, they will see the page that I choose and not necessarily the default that Canvas has. So I am going to go to my pages section where I have already created a home page. Over here, this is the page over here. I'm going to go ahead and just click on it so you can see the what that page looks like. These are the different expectations and stuff that I have on the site, and this goes along with the stuff that Ms. Hembry is going to send out to us of what your students and teachers need. I added a picture in there. And so this is what I want students to see when they click on either home or they come into my site for the first time. I'm going to go ahead and click on all pages. This is a two-step process. The first process is to identify a page in your pages section that you want to serve as your front page. So over here, I only have one page listed, but if you had a whole set of pages that had assignments, had content, had module information in there, this is where it would show up. All of the stuff that you write, all of the pages that you create. So I am going to, this is the page that I want to serve as the front page. So I'm going to go over here to the right, click on those three dots, and click on Use Front Page. Now what this does primarily is that when I click on the Pages section, it will automatically show me that page that I created. So if you want to have a page that just has the information, if you don't want students, for instance, to see all of the pages as you've written them or in whatever order and stuff that comes in in this particular view, you can set a front page in order to sort of serve as a little bit of a barrier. Okay, so once you've got that as a front page, you'll notice that it says front page over here. I'm going to go back up to home. And then over here on the right hand side, these are some buttons that you will only see on your home page. Go ahead and choose, select choose home page. And then you're going to select pages front page. And you'll see the name of the page that I created that I want there. So if in December, if you end up changing the way your front page looks, you can always go back through and change it through this particular function here. So I'm going to hit save. I'm going to click on home. So you can see that whenever somebody logs in, this is the page they see. Let's go back out to the my dashboard area. So student logs in, they click on this link, and there it is. If you have any questions, let me know. YUC@leonschools.net. Thanks.